Hello, I'm New York workers' compensation attorney Brian Mittman bringing you another frequently asked question. One of the questions I always get is, what can I expect at my workers' compensation hearing? Now, I'm not going to go over everything because I could do an entire day's seminar on this, but here is the basic. In New York, all hearings are virtual. That means that you go on the computer like this and you either call in or video in. If you can't figure out the video, the judge will call you and you will participate and be in part of your hearing. If you decide that you would like a live hearing, at that hearing, because you're going to have a lot of them, you can say to the judge, I would like to have an in-person hearing. Now, it used to be you would show up at the courthouse and there would be a judge, the insurance company's attorney, and your attorney. But you'll show up at the courthouse, you'll show up with your attorney, but the judge could still be on the TV, so could the insurance company's representative. We don't know really how it's going to work because it's kind of new. But here's the other things that you can expect. You can expect that your attorney, or if you're alone, the judge will help guide you, should try to address all of the major issues in your case. So if you're not getting paid benefits, then there could be a discussion about how you could get paid benefits. If medical bills have not been paid, there will be a discussion about medical bills not being paid. Sometimes there's technical things that happen, and sometimes there's more intense and in-depth things. I've been to hearings that have lasted 30 seconds because there's nothing to do for some reason, and an hour because we have to take testimony from you or from a medical witness or from a lay witness. So there's a lot of different things, but the purpose of the hearing is basically for the judge to see what is going on and to help the parties move the case along so that you can get the medical care you need, the money you're entitled to while you're out of work, get some type of resolution, and get back to work. Now, the other important thing is a lot of times you have a hearing because the insurance company wants to do something, and that's usually a negative thing. They want to stop a payment. They don't want to pay for medical care. They want to kick you out of the system. So having representation, having an attorney on your side is pretty important, but you don't need one. But if you do, give us a shout out and we're more than happy to talk with you about your case and what you may expect at your next hearing.